Hey y'all, welcome back to Stillwater Farms. So here's my rig for the day. It's June 16th? No, 17th. Maybe it's the 18th, I don't know. I'm a little bit lost on my dates. I know it's mid-June though. And it is barley harvest time. Not wheat, barley. So around here, most guys do wheat, but there is one guy, he's a dairy farmer. He actually has an ice cream parlor. And he grows barley, which barley is similar to wheat, very similar actually to wheat. But wheat matures a little bit later than barley, and also it's ready to be harvested a little bit later than barley. So that's why in about 2 weeks or so, maybe a week and a half, we'll be harvesting our wheat and other guys' wheat. But for right now, we got 30 acres of barley to go cut for this guy. I've done a lot of combine for him in the past. Really good friend of mine. So we're gonna get rolling. Combine's fixed, she's ready to roll. John Deere was out here a week or two ago. And they fixed everything. She's set up, she's ready. It's time to get cut. Which, let's turn the AC on yet, because it's like 58 out or something. I know I'm in a t-shirt, it's probably not smart for me. It's June, and I'm surprised it's this cool still. Which, they said it's going to be like 81 this afternoon, so it'll be a good test for Combine's first run. Get a little bit warm today. Alright. We're going to take her up to the house. Dad's pulling the platform up there. We're going to get rolling. We're over here at the farm. This guy's a dairy farmer. Got barley all the way back there. Up here, over there, all over the place. He's got a field over there as well that I got to cut. Grain bin's open and ready. Now I'm just waiting on Dad to get here with the header. And put the header on the front and get combining. And this is what the engine compartment looks like. It's fairly roomy actually in here for all that we have to try to do. So let's get going. Well, right now I should be cutting, but we have this panel open here. Well, the reel will go in and out, but it won't go up or down. This is why farmers hate mice. A mouse chewed that wire, which runs to the solenoid, which then activates the solenoid to engage, looks like actually my Hydroflex maybe, and also raise and lower the reel. So Dad's running out to get a splice kit so we can splice that back together, and then we'll be rolling. Last year when we were doing beans for this guy, a mouse, when we first started out, chewed a wire in there. So I didn't have header height sensors. Had to splice that one. I don't know, man, something about this farm and mice getting to our equipment, because it's always, this farm, it seems like that we start out with our platform here recently. We'll start out with our platform on this farm specifically, actually. Not purposely, but that's just how it is. And every time, a mouse has chewed a wire. Funny part is, it hasn't gotten to that, which thank goodness they have not, because if something went wrong with that, oh boy, that could be thousands of dollars. Fortunately, it keeps happening to this, and this is easier fixing on this one. Hopefully, don't get to that, which, as you saw, we're building that building. It's gonna have a concrete foundation. We'll seal that sucker off from mice. The other ones are just post and beam. That's where this thing's stored, post and beam building. This shop that we're building is gonna be concrete foundation, and my plan is that thing and this is being stored in there with a tractor. Keep it sealed off from mice. But I gotta put this cone on there, so then it looks like that. And then wait on Dad, get the splice kit here, splice that together, and then fingers crossed, everything works. First offload of the 2023 summer harvest season. Got this little section done. There's a section behind me that I just came out of. Look at my mirror, you can see it. That I just did my outer pass on. I got pretty freaking cool. Didn't spill any, but I think I'm gonna fill this cart actually, probably. Well, we're knocking them out. We dusted out our friend there. He's the guy I'm doing the combine for. I'm not sure if you saw him up on the tractor. I dusted him out with a bunch of straw accidentally. We're out here combining the last field of barley for the year, and then it's off to wheat in about a week and a half to 2 weeks.